morning. I am Regina. I have taken treatment from Dr. Vijay Kumar. So ours is a late marriage. I married when I was 31, like that. So immediately after marriage, we are worried about having kids. So we didn't know how to move. Initially, we went to a fertility center which was nearby to our house, and we didn't get any confidence there. And most of our doubts were not cleared. We came to Dr. Vijay Kumar. The very first meeting we met doctor, we felt this is the place, this is the doctor. Then we started our journey here. So we did IUIs 2-3 times, and we didn't get success. Then we thought there is, like, we lost hope. Then we spoke to all the doctors here, and we personally spoke to Vaibhavi ma'am. Then Vaibhavi ma'am has given us so much confidence. We will try. Then uh, that confidence made us continue here. Then we had confidence that something definitely we will get from here. We never lost hope. Then we used to come every month, go for scans and all. Then they used to suggest what next to follow based on my condition. So, like that, as our journey continued, now we are blessed with beautiful kids. We have twins, a boy and girl. They are very healthy babies, very active kids. All thanks to Vaibhavi ma'am.
Congratulations. They are very
Check
cute
master.
babies, actually, very cute. Now you have a complete family.
Yes.
Those are very good, very good. So, anything you want to say about our facility and our
Yes.
doctors?
Yeah,
and,
doctors, even especially Vijay Kumar sir has motivated in each and every step. So we never lost our hope. Even Vaibhavi ma'am was with us. She was always with us. She used to give all the suggestions and advices. So even the facilities and the staff here, everybody was speaking to us, interacting with us like a family members. It was really a good experience to take the treatment here. So we suggest the people who are suffering without babies, we suggest to come to visit, check with doctors, take their suggestions, and plan your happiness in advance. You will definitely get the result here. You'll be having happy days in your life. You just visit once to the Vardhan IVF Fertility Centre, and this is our testimony. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We want to see your babies. Can you bring your babies,
Yes,
please?
yes, ma'am. Sure.
She is girl baby. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi there.
Hi.
See, both are blessed of girl baby and boy baby. We can see here. Both are doing very good and very cute, healthy babies.